Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
My son is going from little boy to teenager, and it was time to upgrade his room. So we got rid of some of his toys and replaced it with a dresser and TV stand. This beautiful dresser from Yenlure is perfect for his room. He needed some more dresser space to fit all his big boy clothes and a few extra drawers where he could keep some of his Matchbox cars and the toys that he still played with. He personally loves that he can change the LED light strip to program it to any color of his choosing. I love that it comes with these durable side pockets where you can keep remotes or important papers if you needed. I also love that the drawers are nice and deep and durable enough to put in a teenage boy's room and not worry that he's going to destroy it. I also really like the charging station on top. He can plug in his phone, his tablet, and charge his gaming system controller. The kit comes with everything that you need and easy-to-read instructions to put it together in a timely manner. I did this all by myself without any help from my husband, and it only took me about half an hour to get it done. I think this dresser would be wonderful in any room. We put it in a bedroom, but I think it would also look great in an entryway or a hallway. So if you're in the market for a beautiful and convenient way to have a little extra storage, then I highly recommend this dresser from Yenlure.
And that's my point of view.